Hello everyone. Today's lecture is about extended essay. Extended essay is a main part of IB Diploma program. Part 1 will be an introduction about the location of extended essay and role of extended essay, general expectation, types of extended essay, how is it supervised and how is it assessed. Later from part 2 onward, I will go for more explanation about different modules of extended essay and more detail. So let's start by introducing the International Baccalaureate, or IB. It's a global leader in international education and comprises four different levels. Level 1 is PYP, or Primary Years Program, which covers the age of 3 to 11. MYP, Middle Years Program, will cover the age of 11 to 16. DP, Diploma Program, and CP, Career Related Program, we'll cover the age of 16 to 19. Our focus today is on DP. DP, or Diploma Program, will have a central mandatory part comprising the three different modules: Extended Essay, TOK, and CAS. Extended Essay is the topic of today. I will go for more details about that. TOK is Theory of Knowledge, and CAS, Creativity, Activity, Service. Extended Essay and TOK are numerically assessed. CAS has its own special criteria for assessment. They are not numerical. Alongside the core, the student will take 6 different subjects from 6 different subject groups, like math, or like science, and so forth. Okay, today I will concentrate on extended essay. Let's see what the extended essay is. The extended essay is an independent piece of research. Independent because despite of the subjects, you can go for independent choice of resources, and it will culminate for 4,000 words. It could be between 3,000 to 4,000, but mostly students use the full capacity to fulfill the job. What extended essay provides? Number 1 is practical preparation for undergraduate research. In the age 16 to 19, students really and practically experience how to do a real research. Number 2, an opportunity for students to investigate a topic of personal interest is very important, because rather than the mandatory topics you have, you can go for your personal field of interest and learn something about it. Which skills are grown in extended essay? Number 1 is formulating an appropriate research question. You will learn how to make a research question from a topic. Research question has a general format of cause and effect. From a topic, you will learn how to make a cause-effect research question. Number 2 is engaging in a personal exploration of the topic. As I told you, is totally personal and individual research. Number 3 is communicating ideas. In the workflow of your extended essay, you learn how to connect the ideas and communicate them. And at last, you will learn how to develop an argument. Argumentation is a main part of your research. And so you will learn how to advocate from the general idea you have, from the thesis statement you have already made. So in this research, you will learn different skills. Pathways of extended essay, or different types of extended essay. Extended essay could be subject focused. For example, you take it from subject group 4, like physics, chemistry, 5 maybe mathematics, and so forth. And it could be interdisciplinary. You may combine 2 or more lessons. For example, you may take a project in digital society and maybe psychology. You may combine computer science with physics. I don't know, it's up to you. Who can supervise your extended essay? Your extended essay supervisor will usually be a teacher at your school, but not every teacher. He or she must be suitably qualified in the subject you have chosen for your extended essay. It's a very important property of the teacher you select for your supervisor. And at last, you are allowed to consult with subject specialists, even your dad, your mom, everybody, as well as your supervisor, but they cannot take the responsibility and the role of your supervisor. So pay attention. Supervisor could not be your dad, your mom, provided they are your teacher. If they are not, you can get a lot of help, but at last, the responsibility will be on the supervisor, the teacher in your school. How extended essay is supervised? First, you are supposed to have an informal meeting with your teacher. You will talk about the nature of your research question, your topic, and so forth. Then you will prepare your first draft and you will go for the first formal session. Then the second one, and then the last one, which is finalizing your paper, is named viva voce. Is mostly the last one is mostly oral rather than written, and then it is finished. It's generally expected to take between 3 to 5 hours. How much time is spent as a student for extended essay? IB recommends that you spend approximately 40 hours spread out over the course of your IB studies, but according to my experience as a physics teacher, 40 hours for practical subjects like physics, chemistry, biology is not enough, as the nature of these lessons implies some experiments in the school lab. You may need more than 40 hours, maybe 70, maybe 80. It depends on the nature of your research, so be careful about that. For maybe theoretical or database ones, 40 hours could be enough. Extended essay assessment criteria. I will give you a list of criteria here. Later, I will discuss about them one by one in detail in the coming videos. So let's just have a look at the criteria. Focus and method maximum will have 6 marks. Knowledge and understanding will have maximum 6 marks. Critical thinking is very important. I will tell you what the critical thinking is. It has maximum 12 marks, and presentation maximum 4. At last, engagement maximum 6. Totally an excellent extended essay will get 34. Look at this page. How extended essay is assessed. All extended essays are externally assessed. Externally means examiner is not the teacher of your school. It's out of your school. And look at this number line. Here I have between 0 to 34. If you get 0 to maximum 6, it is regarded as E, elementary 1, and it's in failing condition. It's not accepted. So you must get 7 or more. 7 to 13, it's regarded as D, a mediocre 1. Between 14 to 20, it's regarded as C, satisfactory extended essay. Between 21 to maximum 26 is regarded as B, a good one. And between 27 to 34 is an excellent one. So you will have an interval to get A as an excellent student. Let's have a look on DP grading. I told you we have 6 subject groups. This is a lesson you have got from the first group, second group, third group, and the last one, okay? As an excellent student, you will get 7 out of 7 from the first subject, the second one same, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Generally, it's expected as an excellent student to get 42 out of all 6 lessons. What about TOK and extended essay as core? I told you core of IB comprises 3 modules: extended essay, TOK, and CAS. CAS is not numerically assessed, but extended essay and TOK are combined together to provide an additional 3 for you, and maximum mark will be 45. But how TOK and extended essay are combined together to provide a 3 for me? Look at the combination. If you get A in extended essay and A in TOK simultaneously, you will have a 3. out of this combination. A B in one of them and A in the other one also will provide a 3 for you, but a combination of B and B will be 2. C and A will combine to provide a 2 for you, B and C a 2, C and C just 1. D and C will be nothing for you, D and D 0, nothing. But D and B will provide a 1 for you, D and a 2 for you. So suppose that you get a D and a C and so finally 0 in core. What happens? Nothing. You just have lost the total mark of the core, but the core has nothing for you, but you can get diploma. What about E? If you get E, it's very, very, very bad. E is failing condition. E in one of them will result in not awarding the diploma. So you should care about the failing condition. Rarely it may happen. A student may opt for getting E, but anyway, if it happens, it's failing condition. The last thing I should remind you is that if you do not submit your extended essay on time, it's regarded as NS, not submitted, or you do not submit your TOK essay on time, you will not be awarded your IB diploma. So submission also is very important on time. Failure to submit either will result in a failure to receive the diploma. Core is mandatory, so you should care about both of them. Thank you for watching this video. In the coming videos, I will make all the details of the extended essay and the modules. We will learn a lot. See you.